Hi students, question number 7 in the MCQ. In photoelectric emission, a radiation whose frequency is 4 times threshold frequency of a certain metal is incident on the metal, then the maximum possible velocity of the emitted electron will be. One of the 4 options we have to find out. It's also very important numerical problem asked many times in the competitive exams, but it is very easy, very simple. Idea is given in the clue itself. Now what is the clue? A radiation whose incident frequency is 4 times the threshold frequency is given. So we can take up the given information. The frequency incident is equal to 4 times the threshold frequency. Okay. Now what is the V maximum? So what is V maximum? The maximum possible velocity of the photoelectron we have to find out. Now for this type of problems, the one and only equation to be used is Einstein's photoelectric equation, is it not? So H nu is equal to work function plus kinetic energy maximum. This is the photoelectric equation. So I will rewrite. H nu is equal to H nu naught plus half mv square maximum. Then I will bring this H nu naught to the left hand side. So H nu minus H nu naught is equal to half mv square maximum. Then H is a common factor. So H into nu minus nu naught is equal to half mv square maximum. Okay, now what is the hint given here? Nu is equal to 4 times nu naught. So shall I substitute here nu equal to 4 nu naught? So I will rewrite. And also this factor 2 is shifted to the left hand side. So that 2h, it will become 2h. Instead of nu, I am substituting 4 nu naught minus nu naught, and that is equal to mv square. Okay, mv square maximum. So 4 nu naught minus nu naught is 3 nu naught. So 2h into 3 nu naught is equal to V square maximum. I will write here, and this m term I will shift here to the denominator. Therefore V square maximum is now equal to 2 into 3 is 6h nu naught. So this is 6h nu naught divided by m, or V maximum is equal to square root of the right hand side. So square root of 6h nu naught divided by m. This is the answer. So which of the option is correct? You see here, the maximum possible velocity of the emitted electron will be option B, 6h nu naught by m to the power half. Okay. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.